Having a second person who has admin access to your LinkedIn business page or company page is something we all should have in place. But there's a right way and a wrong way to do it as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do all of that, and it's coming up right now. So how do you add a second admin to your LinkedIn business page? Well, it's really simple, and that's what this video is all about, showing you how to do it for a few reasons. Reason number one is just in case you get locked out of your own LinkedIn profile, you want someone else to be able to log back in and manage your page. Equally, you want to have a second person to help you do all of the daily posting and moderating and doing all of that behind the scenes admin work as well. So as we all know, everything on LinkedIn starts with you and your profile. So let's click on the home page and I will go find my own LinkedIn business page. And over here on the left-hand side is my own LinkedIn business page. Let's click on that and we will go through step by step how to do it. So I'm going to go to the top right here and click on admin tools, and we're going to have the drop-down menu. And I'm going to go to manage admins. And then from that, I now get the option to add and delete admin users and things like that to my own LinkedIn business page. Now, just for the sake of this video, I've deleted the other people who were my admins because I wanted to show you everyone how simple and easy it is to do. So I'm the owner of my LinkedIn business page. So I'm set up as the super admin. The super admin is the owner and the controller of the page. But to add other people as admins, we just click on there. We then search for someone that you're connected to. Now I'm going to search for my brother. Let's see if I can find him. Here we go. Stephen Warnkin's my brother. Now I get the option to either add him as a super admin. Now, if I add him as a super admin, he then effectively co-manages the page with me. He owns and controls the page with me. But for most of you, this is what you want to be ticking. You want to be ticking the content admin. This role posts and manages comments as the page and exports the analytics. And equally, you can add someone as an analyst. But for the vast majority of you, this is what you're wanting to be doing. You're wanting to be adding someone as a content admin. So let's click save. And there we go. It appears down here. So I've added my brother. I've added a second person who can co-manage the page for me, who can help be responsible for managing the day-to-day roles of liking and commenting and sharing and posting and all of those type of things. Now, as I mentioned just before, if I then wanted to make him the super admin, I could do that. But then by doing that, that person effectively co-owns the page, co-manages the page. So from a business perspective, you don't necessarily want to be allocating someone also to be a super admin. You want to stick with the content admin person. But then equally, if you then want to find someone else and you can add them as an analyst, let me see if I can find someone else. Here we go. I found a colleague, former work colleague and a personal friend of mine, Belinda Madgwick. Now I can make her the analyst of the page. So there we go. So I've added a few extra people to become admin roles on my page, myself as the super admin, my brother as the content admin, and Belinda there as the analyst.